Oh yeah, your boys in Brooklyn. You know what time it is, bitches. Okay, first off, we're gonna do a review today. I am in Brooklyn. Thank you very much. And I am still training. Thank you very much. Uh, Came down to Brooklyn. Had protein powder, but knew I would run out. I'm gonna be here a couple months. So I ordered some through Amazon. Is my lens dirty? Or is that lighting? Um, so, in the meantime, Brooklyn is where I am in Brooklyn. It's hard to get around. There's no Walmart, there's no Myers, there's no Kmart's, there's Target. So I went to Target at the mall and I got this quick, what I call emergency pack, EAS Lean 15 protein. This is a hybrid protein, okay, which isn't going to score it very many points. I don't like hybrid proteins too much. I'm not a big casein guy either. I'm more of a whey protein. I like the fast absorption. I think that in most cases, if you want to slow down the absorption of your protein, you could use fibers. You don't need to go with just casein. Casein is like a bedtime protein, so why would you mix it with 3 other proteins? Soy, the shit protein of all proteins, soy makes you gassy, it irritates you, and it does that to me too. So whey, I have no problem with absorption. I can eat a lot of it without getting gassy. This stuff here, oh yeah, smells like an outhouse really fast if you're in a small room. So carry a wizard. We'll say the scoops are incredibly small. I believe that this must be for children or for women, because men use real fucking scoops. This is a real fucking scoop. This is what every protein container almost comes size-wise. This is what they give you. So, okay, it's called Lean 15. If you have 4 of these scoops, you're at 200 calories. So calorie-wise, it's not bad, because 4 of these scoops does not equal 2 of these scoops. Just so you know, this is 36 grams. 2 of these equal 30. That's why they call it Lean 15, I guess. So you get 15 grams of protein per scoop, okay? But if you're a man, you're going to be taking 4 scoops of that tiny little fucking thing, which would be 60 grams. You know what I mean? So that's closer to what a man... That's actually pretty good. 60 grams of protein at 200 calories. Think about it. Now, I will say it's got a little bit high carbohydrates compared to the protein powders that I like. And I will be putting the macros up on the screen. Let's see. Somewhere around there. Maybe. I could do it down here. You never know. Or maybe I could switch it up. So, let's see. If you are going to go buy the 2 scoops of 30 grams, 2 scoops which equals 30 grams, remember, that is not 1 scoop of a normal protein powder. You would get 1.5 grams of fat. You would get 25 cholesterol, 210 sodium, 190 protein, or sorry, potassium, 11 grams of carbs. Kind of high in carbs, but maybe there's good carbs in them. I don't know. Maybe there's some fiber. Oh, there is. There's 5 grams of dietary fiber, so that's actually not too bad then at 11 grams, that means you're only really getting 6 per 30. So 6 per scoop. You can live with that. You can live with that. And at 200 calories, actually, that would be less than 200 calories. I think I was figuring the 200 calories at 4, so it'd be like 100 calories for 2 scoops. That's actually pretty good. So, macro-wise, the EAS Lean 15 is actually pretty good. And I'm going to be honest, it's pretty gone. But this is like, how much is it? 1.7 pounds. Took me a day to eat this. It was tiny. I like protein. So I'll reuse the container for work. And I'll have this to make fun of. But yeah, so my review is that soy, hybrid, and casing mixes are not my favorite. So I have to take it down for that. It's about 20 bucks for 1.7 pounds. That is not really a deal. Pound wise, that's a small container. You know what I mean? Usually you get 2 pounds and you can pick, up at a faster convenience store like Target or Myers or Walmart between $17 to $20 for 2 pounds or more of protein. So this isn't really a good buy. It's a little bit more expensive. It is very lean protein, but you're dealing with soy, which could upset your stomach, and it's a hybrid protein. So it means that some of the proteins are going to be fast absorbing and some of them are going to be slow. And I don't like mixing my proteins like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to have a shake and show you the consistency of the powder. It's not bad. It's not bad. Anything with casing in it seems to not mix super great, so you have to shake the hell out of it. I'll be right back. What's up, guys? What are you still here for? Oh, you wanted me to drink that protein. I already drank it. Wasn't that good? What do you want to know? Protein's not that good. I drank it. It's time to go home. Bye-bye now. Y'all come back.